You don't like to go out with your coworkers. Even on job fairs, you're the least one to talk to someone. You just shy away because you're a true introvert. But after you get to know someone, you loosen up and get more comfortable. I will share with you 5 lessons on how to network successfully and how to use it to your advantage. Number 5 is, from my point of view, very underrated, but very effective. I was in that same situation. Although I landed my first job successfully, my shyness stood in my way when I wanted to start my first business. Matter of fact, my first business failed due to my lacking knowledge of the importance of networks. A network can help you to get good reviews, example given if you want to sell products online, or help you to get positive comments on your LinkedIn page. I know that many of us have big dreams, but oftentimes we need to start from zero. Zero network, zero money, and even maybe zero skills. First of all, know what the definition of zero is. It differs on the perspective. For someone who was born in a normal family where both parents were working but weren't multi-millionaires, that can be perceived as zero. But for someone who was working in the cobalt mines in Africa without the support of anyone, that can be perceived as zero as well. So lesson number 1. Perspective matters. Be appreciative. Get it straight. In which situation are you currently in? Create a pains and gains list on your current network situation. Examples for pains would be such as personal characteristics like true introvert, dominating someone's time whilst talking, no confidence, but also social characteristics like low income environment, no connection to people that have influence that can get you maybe a step ahead. On the other side we have the gains. Gains are classically interesting hobbies or extraordinary skills, even a reliable personality, so anything that can keep a conversation engaging and interesting. So lesson number 2, know your pains and gains. After reviewing them, know the best practices how to connect with people. A very effective way is to meet people through other people. Connecting in person has a strong impact. On the other hand, you can start building your online presence. It can be a LinkedIn page which is well connected, or a social media page with high engagement rates. Because all of this build up curiosity. How did you achieve this? Which tools did you use? So just have a story to tell. Classical ways to make business contacts is over trading fairs, business events such as lectures on specific niche topics. But I would recommend you more relaxed ways, such as clubs. No, not a nightclub. Let's say you are interested in technology. So join a makerspace or join a coding club. Be a pleasant guy to have around by being authentic. So lesson number 3, use networking opportunities. Get out of your comfort zone. If you find yourself then in a conversation, make sure to read your conversation partner. Analyze their faces, their reactions, their habits. Pay attention to the details. What makes them happy? What information do they share with you, which could be a good opener for a follow-up conversation? Example, you meet someone, they tell you, hey, I love golfing because it gives me a peace of mind. So in a follow-up conversation, you can ask them proactively, hey, did you golf already? The first reaction you will get is a happy face, a little smile, so just positive vibes. And this is what really matters. So lesson number 4, pay attention to the details, start bonding. After starting bonding, do not shy away asking for favors. But wait, do not be that annoying guy who only texts if he needs something. Offer win-win situations, so where the person who is doing you a favor is also favored in a way. Be charming, be appreciative and be personal. What most people don't know is people that are doing you a favor end up liking you more, not less. This is called the Ben Franklin effect. So do not hesitate to ask others for help when you need it, but do it the right way. The right way is to first set the stage. Ask directly and personal. Hey, I have a favor to ask you. Second, give a reason. People love to hear the background story. Give the because, as this will awaken the interest of the listener. Show the exit proactively. Be understandable by saying, I completely understand if you can't make it. And fourth, and this is really important, close the loop. Give feedback after receiving that favor, how the outcome has been. This will keep them invested and shows them appreciation. So lesson number 5, Ask for favors, but do it the right way. Let's repeat. Lessons number 1 to 5 are: first, perspective matters. Get your perspective straight. Second, know your pains and gains. Third, use networking opportunities. Fourth, pay attention to details. And fifth, ask for favors, but the right way. When I started applying these lessons, my businesses started thriving. I met so many interesting people that I nowadays have in my network. Some of them turned into co-founders for my new ideas. I'm sure if you apply those lessons, you will soon see a change. Are you an introvert? Do you struggle with networking? Leave me a comment down below. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed our content. Follow us also on TikTok and Instagram, linked in the description box down below. Seeing you in the next one.